Backlit diffusing LED bar ST-BL20 is a created LED bar equipped with special super-wide angle lens. It uses imported Samsung LED chip. Each LED is 2 watts, constant current 0.7 ampere working model, super-wide angle lens, and twice diffusing light design. That is illuminating more evenly. Strong aluminum radiator brings good heat dissipation and prolonged using lifetime. Male and female head connection simplifies installation. Modular design and waterproof ensure ST-BL20 to be used outdoor well. According to the size of light box, choose suitable bar length and quantity. As the quantity of LED, choose suitable adapter. Arrange the LED bars in accordance with the current direction. Connect the bars. Connect the adapter. Before turning on the power, check the current direction again. Turn on the power. ST-BL20 works stably and durably.